Hey everyone! Imagine for a moment that the Earth is flat. What if all those globes we've seen in schools, all those images from space, were just a grand illusion? Sounds intriguing, right? Let's dive into this fascinating thought experiment and explore the idea of a flat Earth myth or reality. First off, let me take you back to ancient times. Ancient civilizations like the Greeks and Romans believed the Earth was a sphere. Pythagoras and Aristotle provided compelling arguments based on observations of the stars and the Earth's shadow on the moon. But let's flip the script and imagine a flat Earth. In a flat Earth scenario, the horizon wouldn't dip away from you as it does on a spherical Earth. Instead, no matter how far you traveled, the horizon would remain flat and level. Sounds simple enough, but this idea runs into some big problems. For one, gravity as we understand it wouldn't work the same way. Gravity pulls objects towards the center of mass, so on a flat Earth, objects would be pulled towards the center of the disk, not directly downward everywhere. Flat Earthers suggest that instead of gravity, the Earth is constantly accelerating upwards at 9.8 meters per second squared. But then, we run into issues with physics. This constant acceleration would eventually surpass the speed of light, which defies the laws of relativity. Not to mention, satellites and the International Space Station wouldn't be able to maintain their orbits. They'd simply crash back down. Now let's think about the day and night cycle. On a spherical Earth, it's beautifully explained by the rotation of the planet. But on a flat Earth, the sun would have to act like a spotlight, moving in circular paths above the plane. This would create wildly inconsistent patterns of daylight and darkness, unlike the predictable sunrise and sunset we experience. Then, there's the issue of airplane flights. On a flat Earth, flight paths would be dramatically different. But in reality, pilots follow great circle routes, which are the shortest paths over the curved surface of the Earth. These routes only make sense on a spherical Earth. Finally, consider the evidence from space exploration. Thousands of images and videos from satellites, space stations, and lunar missions all show a round Earth. Some argue these are doctored, but the sheer volume and consistency of this data is overwhelming. So, what if the Earth is flat? The answer lies not just in one piece of evidence, but in the overwhelming accumulation of observations, experiments, and data collected over centuries. While it's a fascinating idea to entertain, the evidence strongly supports that our beautiful Earth is indeed a sphere. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this thought experiment, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing science content.